How to unreport someone on Instagram, which means how you can undo your report. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So if you accidentally reported someone, or if you came with an agreement with the person of the account that you don't want to report them, you can actually withdraw your report, but on several conditions. One is that if you've only reported them for intellectual property violations, which means copyright infringement, if you have reported them for such reasons, then you can withdraw your report. Because if I go to the Instagram Help Center and then actually show you over here, you can see the official page from Instagram says that you can actually withdraw that if you submitted an intellectual property report but then reached an agreement with the person who posted the content, or if you reported content by mistake, you can withdraw your intellectual property report. And the best way to do this is to email them at ip@instagram.com and reference your original report number. So the report number is very important over here, because when you report someone on Instagram, you obviously have a report number. If you do not have the report number, then you will not be able to go ahead and then unreport them. But you also want to keep in mind that let's say you don't have access to all these, you need not worry, because a single report to an account on Instagram is not going to change anything. Instagram officially announced that they only take actions against accounts that has received more than 10 or more reports, which means that if they receive 10 or more reports, and Instagram is also going to verify those contents in that particular account and then only go ahead and then take necessary actions. But if you accidentally reported a video and that video or that content does not violate the Instagram's community guidelines, Instagram is not going to take any action against those. You also don't need to worry, because Instagram is not going to notify the creator of the account that someone has reported their account or this particular person has reported it. They're not going to also release or publicize the username of the person who reported it, so you just want to keep that in mind. However, aside from that, let's say you have already copied the email of ip@instagram.com, then you can open up your mailbox over here, tap on the compose button and paste that particular mail. I'll also make sure to leave this email down in the description box, which is the official Instagram mail of Instagram. So right over here, you can also enter the subject such as unreporting, and after that you have to enter the content such as I accidentally reported this person and that you would like to withdraw it. Instagram is going to take that into consideration and go ahead and then unreport and then withdraw your reports from those accounts. Hopefully this video helped answer your question. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.